for our listeners, who would be, when they're searching for an attorney to help with the O-1, what should they ask about?
Yeah, absolutely. So expertise. So many areas of immigration, they really should be checking if they have that O-1 extraordinary ability background. And you need to ask yourself, what is the field that I'm in? Because extraordinary ability is also very large. So is my background in entertainment? Is it in tech? Is it in science? And check to see whether that attorney has filed cases of that nature for extraordinary ability, and how many.
Yep. And not one or two where I've done it before.
Thousands.
Right?
Yeah. I mean, for me, our firm tends to average around 2,000 a year, a minimum. And that allows us to see a certain amount of patterns and flow with U.S. immigration. We're also very active members of the American Immigration Lawyers Association, and there's a very special group within that organization which focuses on extraordinary ability. But I know attorneys that only do, for example, extraordinary ability in just sports, or they only do it in film, television. Or I mean, for us, we have an organization of some 60 incredible legal professionals, with many of them having backgrounds also in these fields. So they really understand what it's like to have to put together these types of applications, portfolios, in a very convincing manner. So I would say first, check to see what that attorney's background is, how many cases they filed, what tends to be their approval rate. I wouldn't be doing it based on percentage. I just get a feeling for what it is. Or maybe you could ask how many requests for additional evidence they sometimes get, so follow-up questions on cases. And I would also really hone in on what their experience is with the consular side for extraordinary ability, as well as at the border. Whether you should be traveling by land, whether you should be flying, what port you should be going, what airline would be good to take. These things for me matter for my clients. So I would be addressing those questions as you're going through your mental checklist.
Yeah, and with the risk involved, like we talked about, and how small the window is that you're extraordinary from a world-class standpoint, you better choose the right immigration attorney if you want a shot at making this work quickly.
Right.